Guys, I ain't even gonna lie. It's nice to be back at the shop. 100%. Alright guys, so before we go any farther, I first of all had to just extend a huge thank you to everybody that came out to Ford Takeover. And my God, what a freaking out of sight success. It was insane. Ford Takeover is officially on the map. We've got some other stuff working with Ford Takeover for next year, and so stay tuned for that. But here's one thing, guys, and this is something that I wanted to personally say to you, is that if I didn't get to shake your hand, or if I didn't get to stop and say what's up, check out your car, stuff like that, I sincerely apologize. My goal with Ford Takeover is to make sure that, number one, you have a good time, everything goes smooth, you know, nobody's stuff gets tore up, nobody gets injured, you know, everybody has a good time. Everybody's, you know, enjoys a chill style atmosphere. That was my goal for the show, and that required me to, you know, to run like crazy. And so if I wasn't able to, you know, hang out with you and shake your hand, I sincerely apologize for that. But I hope in not being able to do that, you enjoyed yourself, and hopefully I can see you next year. So enough of that rambling. I've got some ridiculous stuff to show you guys, so let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, boys, so kind of getting back to the projects. First and foremost, let's talk about Boomer's car. You guys remember this car? This is the black GT. It's getting the turbo, Coyote, all that. We've already got the engine bay is smooth, and you saw us clean out the interior. It's gutted. We got parts, and Boomer was actually in town for Ford Takeover. Good seeing you again, brother. And brought a bunch of parts with him, boys. This is, of course, the first turbo Coyote that we've done out here. And guys, this, I mean, I didn't get to see it, but they came out and mocked it up after Ford Takeover, and my God, boys, like, yeah, this is a precision, looks like a 70 maybe, 75, okay, there we go, yeah, 75. So, yeah, okay, and guys, I'm not real familiar with this kit, but obviously it's a single. It's made by Motion Raceworks, and this is nice. This is really nice, all V-bands. Wow. This is gonna make stupid power, guys. I mean, stupid freaking power. Now, I don't claim to know if this kit is designed for a Foxbody or not, if it's designed for a swapped Foxbody. I'm not sure. Everything looks like it would fit fine. As far as I can tell. Oops, excuse me. Motor mounts right there, steering shaft, right, yeah. I don't see anything that would cause an issue, but this is sick, y'all. This is freaking sick. We have not done a turbo build on the channel, and I'm freaking pumped. And the cool thing about this is I get to look at this kit and be like, my car maybe? I don't know. I mean, who knows? Real quick though, if you're not familiar with the engine, this is a brand new Ford Racing Gen 2 crate engine. Then of course got the Ford Performance CJ intake and throttle body, and then it's a 4 fuel system, full 4 fuel system. You got the engine came from Power by the Hour. He's got the Power by the Hour bracketry. You got the injectors from Power by the Hour, the whole 9 yards. So guys, this is gonna be friggin' nasty. Like, this is gonna be crazy. I'm super excited to see what this bad boy is gonna do. So stay tuned, boys. We've got a lot going on with this build. Oh, excuse me. This will also be a 6R80. So this is gonna be, you know, single turbo automatic Yoti. This thing, I don't even know what it's gonna make. It'll be plenty, I promise. Real quick note too, guys, if you're thinking about doing this kit, or you've looked at this kit, again, this is from Motion Raceworks. This is gonna make it pretty much impossible to run like air and all of that. You could probably run power steering over there, which I believe he is. I don't know 100%, but you know, your air compressor bolts up right here, and clearly, yeah. And now that is with the Coyote accessory drive kit, the swap kit from Power by the Hour. But yeah, it's gonna be a little tight in here. And typically, also, boys, your cold air goes this way, so it's gonna be. Oh yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of doing, but it's all good. But all right, enough of that, boys. We got some more parts over here. Let's check them out. All right, guys. So a couple of the other things Boomer brought down, and I don't know how he fit all this in Explorer ST, but I guess he made it work. But check these out. These are freaking sick. Corbos. I like them. The only thing is they're hitting the roll bar, so he ain't gonna be able to really lean them back much. But it's got like carbon fiber on the back. These are nice. These are super nice. I don't know if these are leather or vinyl or what, but I mean that's a. I'll get back a little bit so you can see it here. See how it looks inside the car. Yeah, Boomer's trying to do it big, man. Trying. He is. Yes, sir. Yeah, those look good. I'm not sure what the model is. Like I said, they're a Corbeau something. Can't see it. Here's the passenger side, but yeah, totally digging that look. All right, of course, boys, we got more goodies, and I actually saw this earlier, and this also has me thinking. Got the momentary switches, and this is also from Motion Raceworks, it looks like. But that is sick. I'm guessing you could do like the boost leash on this and trans brake or something on this, or whatever, who knows, line lock, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty sick. I need to get rid of my airbag steering wheel at some point. But yeah, got two momentary switches, and then here's all the couplers and all that. Looks like cold side, yeah, cold side for the turbo. And one thing that I didn't mention is with that throttle body, I think we might have to modify the charge pipe, because it's made for a standard style throttle body. But regardless, we got turbo blanket, and we got couplers and all kinds of stuff. Looking good. Turbo spark. Blow off valves, waste gates, the whole nine, boys. This thing is ready. I don't know what is in this box. This is gonna be what the turbo came in. So yeah, that's what the turbo came in. I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. It's heavy, boys. Uh-oh. We got CO2. Very nice. Very, very nice. So, what else we got here? We got another big box here, dude. Let's see what this is. TRE Treadstone Oh, oh yeah. Big friggin' intercooler. Let's see how big this bad boy is. Dude, we haven't done a turbo build before. Like, I'm super stoked. Good God. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, that's heavy, too. Yeah, there's my hand, y'all. Wow, so yeah, Treadstone. I've heard of them guys. They make good stuff, obviously. Man, then we got some more mounting brackets over here. I'm not 100% sure what, but... Huh. Yeah, that may be... these may be for mounting the... It might be. Yeah. I wasn't here when he brought it all, so I'm kind of guessing at it, but... My Lord, gentlemen. This thing's gonna be wicked.
I saw how big it was. That was my question, like, where is he?
Yeah, where are we gonna put it? Now, he did get this. He got I think this is MAF Racing. That tubular bumper support, front bumper support.
Yeah.
Or this may be this is the lower core support.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, if you have not seen that, Here, Bronte.
So
See if you can.
eliminate that, right?
Yes, yeah. See if we can kind of show what it's going to do. Oh, that's great. But yeah, guys, this is what this is. And of course, MAF Racing makes that. It cuts this lower hoop off, which on most Fox bodies is junk anyway, and cuts a bunch of weight out. And you see right there, you've got the mounts for the radiator.
Right.
And these are cheap. You know, these are not cheap, but they're inexpensive to buy and not necessarily difficult to install. So,
Pretty sweet.
very cool. Yeah, we're doing race car stuff now. All right, boys, so that's pretty much what I got. And quick note, the lower intake is back. It got a bath in at the machine shop. You can see she's all clean. No more worries. Just got to weld those baffles back in, and I can get Project 4 to 8's engine back together, because that's kind of stalled me out and it's been a little bit aggravating. But in the meantime, boys, wow. Guys, I'm telling you, this car, like, we've done some cool ones, but this one's a little different, and you know, it's already got oil pump gears in it. So yeah, that's good too. But I'm super excited about this. We haven't done a turbo Coyote build, and yeah, I mean, what are you gonna say? I mean, it's ridiculous. God. Ty, what do you think? I just need one of these for my car. Yeah, just go ahead and red car. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of, yeah. I don't know. Drop me a comment below, boys, if I should get one of these kits and put it on the red car and just stop fooling around. But yeah, boys, that's pretty much what is up. I mean, good God, that's so freaking cool. That's beautiful. That is a work of freaking art. All right, boys, so there you go. That is pretty much the update on Boomer's car. And of course, you know, it never ends. The this car, Jeremy's car, is getting very close. We're just lacking some brake lines. Stay tuned for that. And we may just drive it down the road with no fenders, no bumper cover, no nothing. I mean, be kind of like a 800 horsepower I can't even talk today. 800 horsepower go-kart, you know? Why not?
Mad Max.
Exactly, yeah. Jeez, yeah, that's going to be fun. And then work has recommenced on George's car. As you can see, getting some wiring and stuff like that going. This thing, you know, just another 800 horsepower Fox body. They're kind of everywhere around here, right? So, looking forward to that. And we've also got some more parts coming from Detroit Speed, so stay tuned for that, and the 79 build. And just a quick hint, boys, I'm thinking we're going to try to find a junkyard Windsor to yank out and drop in that car. Don't quote me on that, but that's kind of what we've got up our sleeve. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button if you haven't. And we got work to do, so we out. Later.